Hey, what's up, Dean? Same Performance. We are back. Tony's Mustang. So we got all new shocks. We swapped the coil springs out for the 71 that he had. Trying to make a quick one, but then I went ahead and I did some over the axle exhaust. It looks good. Doesn't look like it hits anything. Yep, that's a zip tie that needs a hanger, but we are out of time and we just took the air shocks out. We have no gap, so we have to either we have to do like the leaf spring shackle back here. That's the only thing I could think, but I just used the 2.5 and I cut the tips on an angle. You can kind of see the other side there. Basically, it's the same piece of pipe with the angle, and then I flipped one, flipped the other, so it should be the same angle. Tried to kind of match it to the back valance, but I just went through and adjusted the timing. It had 0 degrees of timing, and only like 12 with the vacuum advance hooked up. So I disconnected the vacuum advance, set it to like 8 degrees, 9 degrees, and then I adjusted the idle mixture screws some. And I just noticed the car doesn't start in park, which is weird. I don't know what's going on with that, but let's see if it'll start. So, oh, blinkers on. I guess the blinkers worked. Yeah. Yeah, just under 50 pounds of oil pressure. It's up to temp, 190, almost 200. So, and I lowered the idle quite a bit. So, but she's a runner. Bunch of other things left to do to it, but we'll get it done. So for now, that's it. Tony's Mustang. Get it back on the road. Adjusted all the brakes all the way around, did all that. He's on his way to pick it up. I gotta tell him bad news about the leaf springs, but whatever. It is what it is kind of deal. But now the car at least sits level. It's high in the front because the coil springs haven't been underweight for a long time, but it's sitting way more level. So happy enough for now. Not happy, but happy enough for now. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave me a comment.